Another way to pick the notes out of a major seventh and a dominant seventh are as followed: major and dominant sevenths. Okay, so if you don't want to think about your keys, here's another way to make these chords. If you take the major triad that we all know and love, which is 4 half steps, and then 3 half steps, you can even count on the keyboard. And then for a major seventh, maybe this is G major seventh like we saw last time, instead of thinking, oh, well, the seventh in G is sharp, so therefore we have to make F sharp. If you don't know this, you can just do this. You can count another 4 half steps. Okay, so if you count from D to F sharp, you'll get 4 half steps. Or if you count from D, which is there, this is like this. Here we go. Okay, this is F, this is G. Please excuse my crude drawing really quick. Here we go. We count from D up 4 half steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we call it F sharp. It can't be G flat. If we called it G flat, the chord would look like this. And even though these chords sound the same, this one is stacked in thirds. That tertian feel that we want, that stacks it all in thirds. Okay, so you cannot have this note. You need this one. Okay, so if you have 4 there, that's important to notice that a major seventh is 4, 3, 4 then. A dominant seventh is, if you can guess, maybe you can already guess, let's go ahead and use this color, is 4, 3, 3. 4, 3, 3. So first you can write your notes because you know it's going to be stacked in thirds like this. And you simply do 4, 3, 3. Now you can start from the beginning and go from G up to B and count on the keyboard, but I'm sure you know how to do that. And then for this one, from D to wherever we go, we simply go D, 1, 2, 3, and we land on F. Okay, so F would be natural and we're good to go. So that's another way to make dominant dominant chords and major seventh chords.